Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use this app. It's called app.print.avery.com. So if you want to print all the labels with the same name, design, and stuff, you can use this website. So I'm just going to use this one, and then you can choose either a design or you can choose a blank space here. Select the edit all button, not edit one, select edit all, and then go to text and add your text. I'm just going to add curved text. I'll type in like property of Taylor, for instance. You can curve it, I guess, the other way as well. Actually, I'll do that, and then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and then add Taylor Swift, for instance, and then I'll do this design. Why is it the other way though? Oh, there we go. And I'm just going to place it here in the middle, and then I'm going to add like a shape here. And just like add like your own little design. And then I'm going to add like an image from the Avery gallery here. I'll do like school stuff. Do they have that? School education? Yeah. And I'm going to do like a highlighter. I'll do this bee is cute. And then I'm going to do another image here. Once you're done, you're just going to select preview and print. You can download the PDF or you can straight away print it from that company, I guess. I don't think this exists where I live, but you can do that. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.